Hello everyone, this is our solar STC Sales Solar Charger Controller. This instruction suitable for our STC 1250 and 1260. While you use, please pay attention. Connect the cable with right position. First, connect the battery. Must pay attention. The positive with positive plug and negative with the negative plug. Then connect the PV. Also notice the negative and positive plug. Last, you can connect the loading with the DC loading. Okay, afterward, cable connected, you can power on the battery. It's 12 voltage battery. This controller is suitable for 12 and 24 voltage. Then power on the PV. Now you can see it's charging for the battery. Okay, now you can see now use the loading. Okay, the light is on. So second, while you use, please make sure the power and the open circuit voltage of your solar panel must be matched with our solar controller. For more information, you could check our user manual or get help from Professor. Thank you.